Today we're going to show a little demo of the Dutchess model BMIH dough divider. The BMIH is available with a 36 part head, an 18 part head, and hopefully in the first quarter of 2013 a 9 part head. Each one of these heads is going to give you a distinct weight range that can be divided. For instance, the 36 part is 1 to 4 ounces, the 18 is around 2 to 8, and 4 to 16 ounces on the 9 part head. So we're going to do a little bit of demo with each one, and in between I'm going to switch the heads. I have 3 pieces of dough scaled here, and each one of them is 4.5 pounds. So with the 36 part head that I'm going to use first, we're going to be getting 2 ounce pieces. Because we're using the BMIH, I can use a little food release spray. We distribute the dough in the pan, place the pan under the head assembly, bring the handle down and exert some pressure for a few seconds. Relax the pressure and go into your cut. Now when I bring it out, I have 36 evenly divided portions. And I'm going to dump them upside down here so I have a nice smooth top. Those can be used for various products like dinner rolls, buns, and so forth. To show how easy it is to switch the heads out, I simply loosen a couple of these black knobs, push the trigger over and lower the head assembly, turn it a quarter of a turn, set that aside. Now this is the 18 part head. That goes in its position, and then tighten these black knobs. And now I'm all set up to take the same size piece of dough ball, and instead of doing 2 ounce pieces, I'm going to get 4 ounce pieces. So I put the dough in the pan upside down, because I want the finished side up in case I want to use the pieces just like that. Put a little spray on there, place the pan under the head, press for a few seconds, release the cutting knife. And now I have 18 pieces, and each one of these pieces is going to weigh 4 ounces each. Now these can be used for sub buns, hoagies, mini loaves, and some personal pan pizzas. The next one we're going to demonstrate is the 9 part head assembly. Again, I'm going to just go through the same procedure here. Rotate the head and take it right off. I'll be able to throw the 9 part head assembly on the machine. As you can see, this is a very, very efficient process. Obviously, you're not going to be changing heads this frequently in your production, but what I'm trying to show you is the ease in which you can switch from one head to do one product and then quickly move on to another one. So with this 9 part head now, same thing, a little pressure, release the cutting knives. And now we have 9 pieces, and each of these pieces would be weighing 6 ounces each. These are going to do, some loaves of bread, quite a few pizza doughs. You can actually do these up to 1 pound, so it's going to cover a big portion of the pizza production. They would have to be, taken and rounded up, and then if you had these pieces here, they could be put into a press like we have over here and pressed into pizza skins. So that's the Dutchess model BMIH. The total system with 3 heads, the 36, the 18, the 9 part. A little bit of demonstration of some of the products that you can divide with it, and the ease that it is to switch from one to the other. It can be used with other doughs as well, cookie dough, pie dough, tortilla dough, apple fritters. Because the heads can be removed as easily from the machine, you can take this entire head assembly to a sink or to a dishwasher and wash them, return them back to a sanitary condition. It's NSF listed and it's made here in the USA. The Dutchess BMIH-36.